Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the dollar yen, we are still very clearly in a wave 5 of 5, I think. Maybe it is going to end right here, maybe not. I still wouldn't be surprised if it did make its way up to the 100% Fibonacci extension before it actually did go back down. Taking it down to the weekly time frame, we definitely had a big push down last week, but still no break of structure, still no lower high. I'm definitely still primarily very bullish on this because the higher time frames are not telling me that the move down is or the move up is over yet. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this looks like a 1, a possible big ABC of 2, a wave 3. I think this actually could be an ABC of 4. Yeah, it definitely came back into the territory of Wave 1, which is supposed to be breaking one of those Elliot Wave rules that everybody's so concerned about. But from my experience of trading Elliot Wave for like 14 years, the market really doesn't give a crap about Elliot Wave rules. Now, I would definitely still be looking for sorts of sort of time frames because the trend has turned down on the daily. But we have to keep in mind if we do get a break of structure at a Fibonacci level, it probably is going to go back up and make a Wave 5. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for three-way pullbacks, which is why I got this little channel set up here because it already has 1, 2, 3 waves. The only thing we're really missing is a nice clear break of structure, which you could almost argue it already had done. So if this move that we're currently getting down does make a higher low, I would definitely go long. I really would not be surprised at all if this went way back all the way back up and made new all-time highs. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. Like I said, I think we should primarily be looking for sorts at least until it breaks this structure. This is the one that's really going to tell us that it's going up. This could actually be like a B, and a C to the downtrend. So you definitely should primarily be looking for longs, sorts. I'm sorry, you should primarily be looking for sorts. But if you do see this, go down and make a higher low and make a nice impulsive up, you might want to think about going long, and then you need to observe it to see if it breaks this high right here. Once it breaks that high right there, then we are definitely looking for longs at the end of every pullback we see. If it doesn't break this high over here, then you should still be primarily looking for shorts. And if you do go long, you just have to be very cautious at least until we break structure to the upside. So, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.